After seeing the manufacturing process of the new version of the panels, I finally understand why this material has become the top choice for temporary buildings. It's made from just a foam board composed of iron sheets, yet it combines polymer insulation with many advantages like fire resistance, soundproofing, and thermal insulation, which once turned it into a well-known legend. This is the first step. In the production of sandwich panels at a large local factory, workers first cut open bags filled with polyurethane, allowing it to flow into a storage tank. Then, using the sealed tank in front of us, they apply pressure and heat to the polymer. Once it dissolves and foams, distinct foam particles are produced. These foams are extremely light, and can only be transported into the iron pipe by the fan's own suction. Then they are sent to the large machine in batches. The raw materials are then pressurized by a grinding and pressing processing. At this time, a foam board composed of tens of millions of foam particles can be obtained. However, these foams are not special foams for express delivery that will break into pieces if they are bent. This material has super high strength and toughness. So special tools are used to divide the foam boards horizontally. After evenly dividing, you will get neat foam boards one by one. With the sandwich panel raw materials prepared, the next step is to make steel plates. Workers first anchor the cold-fried galvanized plates, and then place them stably on the bracket. There is no uniform specification for the materials used for steel plates, which can be roughly divided into electroplated core plates, cold-rolled plates, and hot-dip galvanized plates. In addition, the colors of steel plates are also varied. For example, the color steel tiles on the board house factory are basically blue or red, and the steel coils are fixed. The workers will smooth out the steel plates and slowly feed them into the rolling machine. The rolling machine consists of multiple sets of rollers in various shapes that repeatedly roll the steel plates until they take on the desired shape. Then, a suitable amount of adhesive modifier is poured into the machine. This liquid has a glue-like viscosity and effectively enhances the adhesion between the foam and the steel plates. At this point, if you observe the surface of the steel plates, you can see a layer of strong adhesive evenly covering them, while another steel plate is also being coated at this moment. Next, the rollers will press the two together, and after multiple rounds of high-intensity rolling, the sandwich panel takes on its final shape. Judging by the thickness, this kind of insulation board should be able to withstand sub-zero temperatures, right? After cutting the sandwich panel to the appropriate size, the production is complete. In fact, early sandwich panels were used in aircraft manufacturing. But due to their excellent lightweight and insulating properties, they gradually spread into construction materials and decoration. Today, they have become a primary material for building temporary housing in rescue situations. That's a wrap for now. That's the entire manufacturing process of sandwich panels.